Okay, hi. Hi, we're on STP 1092 F15 SMTG. Alright, we're gonna capture the screen while I do the audio to this book. Headquarters Department of Army, STP 1092 F15 SMTG, Soldier's Manual and Training Guide of the MOS M2F Petroleum Specialist Skill Levels 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We are on Chapter 3, Skill Level 3. Subject Area 11, or was it 12? Subject Area 11, page 367. Alright, direct remote refueling, rearming, deploying, distribution system R3DT D2S operations. Given the requirement to provide aviation refueling support on fixed airstrips in the pre-designated field location, personnel material required to perform the special task: 5 military occupational specialists qualified in N2F soldier, 1 MOS 93H Pathfinder personnel to help to have required air traffic control skills, aircraft U-860, custom aircraft appropriate communications to the remote refueling, rearming, deployable system, risk management procedures, applicable material safe data sheets, personal protective equipment, spill container facility response plan, spill control and countermeasures plan, an oil discharge contingency plan, if and required heavy hazardous waste hazardous material management policy and or oral written operation orders. Unit Standing Operation Procedure on Aviation Refueling Operations, DA Form 3643, Daily Issue Petroleum Products, DA Form 3644, Monthly Abstract Issues of Petroleum Products and Operating Supplies, DA Form 2404, Equipment Inspection Maintenance Sheet, DA Form 5988E, or it's an Equipment Inspection Maintenance Worksheet, EGA, DAOD Form 1970, Motor Equipment Utilization Record, DA Form 5987, Motor Equipment Dispatch and Full Access to all reference materials. Direct placement, assembly, operation, operator, preventive maintenance, check services, disassemble the remote refueling, rearming, deployable distribution, ensuring that the site is suitable for refueling operations, and accountability for quality surveillance performed without injury or personnel damage due to the equipment or pollution environment. Apply to the risk management procedure, understanding the implementation of the risk management procedure, risk controls command guidance directed by the higher headquarters assembly of the various hazards, continuous report risk reduction measures as an appropriate chain of command, monitors, evaluating, execution of risk controls, incorporating in the after action reviews, AARs, implementation environmental stewardship measures according to the critical task 101 92F 3312, conducting briefing insurance personnel knowledge concept of operation in accordance with the operation order unit standard authorization procedure, specific guidelines that pertain to the task and mission. Insurance personnel, you understand the mission or task at hand, individual task or specific roles of every personnel to accomplish the mission, collective tasks that the group needs to perform to support the mission. Explain the degree of risk involved with that personnel needs to be aware of. Stress safety for the control personnel incorporated throughout the operation. Spill prevention countermeasures, control countermeasures, hazardous waste, hazardous material management, environmental hazards. Discuss specific guidelines to pertain to the remote refueling, rearming, deployable distribution system, night operations, operation of site, appropriate approach of aircraft, hand and arm signals. Safety: do not be in front of armed aircraft at any time. Marshalling area quality surveillance accountability procedures. 4. Conduct pre-combat checks, pre-combat inspections. Inspection personal uniform equipped for the serviceability and conformity to the mission, weather or environment. Check the appropriate personal protective equipment is on hand. Check the operator's license, dispatch, preventive maintenance, check services records. Inspect equipment to ensure the mission is capable. Check the loading plans. Ensure that all equipment is packed to complete the mission. Check all reference materials, forms, and required for the are available. Check for the paperwork or filter effectiveness is current within the standards. Inspect the communication equipment, personal knowledge of the communication procedures, and operating instructions.